Kualida ng Kindo. Meron na kualida ni Shaw. Shaw, Feliciano with the ball. Feliciano hindi na screen. Feliciano na bitawa, pinasa kay Mirales. Mirales, 2 points, good. Ibababa niya ang ball. Miranda. Pinasa kay Hill sa ilalim, 2 points, no go, driven by John. Nice shot. Feliciano na lawak ng bola. Titihan ng tres. Asok pa, hindi. Meron na nakuha dito ng Charlotte pa rin. Mirales sila kay 2 points. Alcantara, meron ng ball. Sinaban na ng Sheta. Nasa kay Hill, bola 2 points. Wala pa kaya? Hill again, 2 points. Jersey number 2. Nice job. First show na good. Sergio. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni John. Nice. Tumihan ng tres. Wala. Feliciano with the rebound. Feliciano with the ball. Hintayan mga kamante. Pass to Jella. Pass to nice job. Nice job. 2 points. Alcantara ito diretso na 2 points. Mate. Basket. Number 2, second personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot for Alcantara. Feliciano, pass to Mirales, back to Feliciano. Feliciano for the 2 point contested. Wala, rebound by Lance. Pinasa kay Johnson. Johnson, wala ka ng ball. Johnson dito, pinasa kay Alcantara. Alcantara, pupukol na. Hey, Orsic. Feliciano, pasok to Nathan. Nathan Feliciano, pasok to Jenna. Nahuli. Nice job naman ka. Pinasa rin naman na ito. Mirales, 2 points. Alcantara with the ball. Oops, wala yung bola. Alcantara rin. Didiretso. Pasa kay Hill for the 2 points. Wala ka rin talaga. Rebound by Mirales. Mirales sa baba ang bola. Diretso, wala yung bola. Pinasa kay Alcantara. Alcantara with the ball. Pinasa kay Johnson. Johnson, 2-4. Feliciano, 2 points. Togo, lima may Hill. Napakalaki, nahuli. Hindi, Alcantara na baba ang bola. Alcantara na diretso. 2 points. Royal pass. Hello? Yung bola, Johnson, pass to Alcantara. Alcantara, 2 points, foul, basket. Bonus shot. You'll never have for Alejandra in this point. Feliciano, pass to Feliciano. Feliciano, 83 balls. Trinay, pinasakay, nice down, wala. Rebound by Genda. Genda with the ball, pass to Morales. Morales, nagdala ng bola. Didiretso, Tomenge, pinasa, nakuha ni Johnson. Binatong kay Alejandra. Alejandra, tries again. 2 points. Official for 15-8 in favor of Team Feliciano. Didiretso, pinasa kay Genda. Genda, tinira ng rest. No good, pinaganda Antos. Pinasa kay Lance. For the easy 2 points. Wala, rebound by Alejandra. 2 points. Feliciano with the ball. Morales, 2 points. Morales, 2 points. Kenneth magbababa ng bola. Dumang pass ang pass. Kenneth ang ball. Kenneth nagmamadali. Pinasa kilaw ngayon kasi tumama sa ball. Simple tayo. Daw nga yan. Pass to Dizon. Dizon, 2 points. Basket. Punya, pinasa kay Nakalan. Nakalan, 2 points ulit, pinasa kay Valencia. Valencia, 2 points na, doble 1 na kay Valencia. Pass to Nakalan, pass to Nabunya. Knoda, 3 points. And then Kenneth, mababawa ng bola. Pinasa kay Kenneth. Kenneth, 2 pass, pass to Nabunya. Charlotte ball. Nabunya ang nagbababa ng bola para sa Charlotte. Nabunya, another 3 points. Naumayan, pupuntos, 2 points. Hawak ang bola dito. 2 points, 3 points and back. 3 points. Naumayan ulit, naumayan. No good, bye-bye. Nabunya. Diretso ang bola. Baka hihigit dito pare. No good, Rami the ball. Rami, 2 points. Nabunya, pass. Pass to Valencia, Pizan connection. Pizan bola. Iwan sa 3 pare. Hindi pumasok. Rebounded by Sebastian. Pasti versus Kenneth. Double di basket pero hindi kami nakuha yung bola. Pinasa kay Valencia. Back to basket. 2 points. Pinasa kay Genda. Bawiyan. Wala. Rebound dito. Wala. Basket. Grabe na yun. Ang labanan ng magpulian. bonus ball. That's my idol. Pastor Yen takes another 3 points. Pasti versus Yen again. Pinasa muna kay Kabuna. Nakuha nila ni Bobby. 2 points. Kabuna, pasta Maralat. Maralat, 3 points. Over, 3 points. Dan Isa. Kenneth. Kenneth with the ball. Kenneth, what up? Ayun lang. Tumapapak si Kenneth. Kasi dito lang namadali. Pinasakan. Pero nahuli nila ni Dizon. Dizon with the ball. 3 points. No good. Di ba kayo naumayan? 2 points. Sebastian with the ball. Pas na kabut niya. Kabutnya, easy to pass. Good. Pastor Yen with the ball. Yen may hawak ng bola. Pinasa kay Kenneth. Pinasa kay Dizon. 2 points. Mati. Kabutnya ulit ang bababa ng bola. Sebastian, pinasa kay kabutnya. Sebastian. Diniretso Sebastian. Ay! Kenneth. Pass to Dizon. Dizon, pass to Romy. Romy. No good. Rebound by Valencia. Pass to Sebastian. Sebastian with the ball. Pass to kabutnya. Kabutnya kumangga. 2 points. First row, no goal, para kita pinagyan. Wala ka rin, second row. Naumayan, pupuntos na naman. Out na. First row, no goal. Second row, good. 33 favor of Magbuya. Pasto Valencia. Pinasa kay Basti. Basti ito ngayon isa na. Block lang pala. Buk ball. 8 seconds remaining. Kenneth pass to Laungayan. Laungayan, nabitawan ng bola. Nakawan Yen. Yen! 3 points! No good! Laungayan again. And the first rider of Yen. Back to Alcantara. Alcantara, 3 points, no good. Rebound by Feliciano. Feliciano na naman. Pinasa kay Kabutnya. Kabutnya, ay init pa. Init pa, pare. Pass to Romy. Romy, Drew. Feliciano. Pass to Kabutnya. Back to Feliciano. Feliciano, mid-range shot. Jefferson. Alcantara, 2 points, good. Kemudian, Ronaldo. Rebound by Rami. Astro Alcantara, iniwan na isa. No good, pero rebound ni Rami laki. 2 points Rami, no good. Nagkagawan sa bola. Alcantara, 2 points, no good. Nakuha ni Feliciano ang bola. Feliciano, Kumede, pinasa kay Feliciano. Johnson, nahuli. On the shot for Alcantara. Kumede ulit. Napakalmat si Romy dati. Alcantara may kahawak ng bola. Ayan. Feliciano ito. 2 points. Feliciano diretso. 2 points, no good. Rebound back. Good ball. Nag-football si Romy tayo. Ang bakit. Lance, pass to Laungayan. Laungayan. Napunta kay Lance. No good. Rebound by Feliciano. Sabunya. Sabunya ang nagmamalit. To Renzi Johnson. 3 point. Pwede na umong Renzi. Sabunya. Pass to Feliciano. Feliciano ball. Now dito rin Johnson. Pinatawag kay Alcantara. Drop. 2 points for Alcantara. Sabunya. Pass to Feliciano. 2 points. Make it. Johnson with the ball. Pass to Alcantara. Long 3 points. No good. Sabi niya, oh, good. Riba kayo mama. Pasto Alcantara. Alcantara. Pasto lang kaya 2 points. Feliciano Ribon. Feliciano 3 points.
Robbie, baba!
Alcantara. Pasok Johnson. Johnson babawi ang res. No good. Renzi and Johnson. Johnson out and line. He's on 2 points and no good. Ronnie 2 points. Good. Shot, 3 points, no good. Kuha dito ulit sa Alcantara, long 3 points, wala pa rin. Feliciano with the ball. Pass to Nabalak, 2 points, no good. Running pass to Alcantara. Pass daw daw nga yan. Sayang. Wow. Jersey number 8. Very powerful. Feliciano, 3 points, no good. Nahuli ni Tirales. 2 points. Morales. Walking with the ball. Walking with the ball. Casual ka na ako. Ako niya, nakakabisa na, idol. Alcantara. Wow! Kemudian Substitution Jimmy Ronald. Alcantara correct 3 points. Official score 57-49. Lamang tuk-tuk. Morales, bitawan ang bola mula sa Feliciano. Pasta lawangayan. 2 points. Good.
Babalik!
Lawangayan. 2 points. No good. May tawag na. Rolling in Lawangayan. Lawangayan the ball. Lawangayan good. Offensive foul.
Bossing, sabihin tatlo nila.
This is with 3 fouls. Feliciano 3 points. Alcantara 3 points. Hindi nakabawi. Rebound by Hill. Pass to Bizon. Bizon 2 points. Visita. Hindi. Nakakuha ulit by Hill. Pinasa kay Alcantara. Alcantara pull up mid-range. 2 points. Feliciano. Kemudian pemain adalah matahas to Feliciano. Alcantara ulit. Pas ke Morales. Grabe ng violation. Feliciano na iwan. No good. Ibang ba yung Morales? Pass na Lawangayan. Uy. Lawangayan na binawa ng bola. Block by Morales. Kabog niya with the ball. The last shot from Charlotte. Kabog niya rin yung diretso at 2 points. Alcantara, reset. 3 points, no good. Official score 59-61 in favor of Bukbutan.
na boss, half time. Half time na boss, kaya ito start na. Left. Thank you.
No good. Oy, nahuli. Kemudian 3 point, no good. Rebound by Alcantara with ball. Alcantara masuk. Oi. Pass to Basti, pass to Mirales, back to Feliciano, Feliciano takes, pass to Mirales. Nawala yung bola na kuha dito ni Alcantara. Sebastian, mid-range shot, 2 personal foul.
Sub daw boss, sub.
Substitution. Feliciano, pass to Tabunyan, pass to Sebastian, 3 points, no good. Running. Uy, Simon Mahil, pass to Alcantara, libre, 3 points, Tabunyan, naglalak ang bola. Tabunyan, 2 points, no good. Bola po. Terakhir sih bola. Pastor Johnson, Pak Morales, 3 points, Feliciano, 3 points, no good, driven by Hill. Pass to Ronnie. Pass to Johnson, no good, driven by Hill. 3 points, no good, driven by Morales. Morales with the ball, pass to Feliciano. Feliciano versus Johnson. Pass to Sebastian, libre, no good, driven by Johnson. Johnson with the ball, pass to Alcantara, 3 points, double digit ulit ng basketball. Tabunyan ang hawak ng bola. Tabunyan with the ball. Tabunyan, nagawa dito ni Alcantara. Alcantara with the ball. Ginawag dito. Alcantara pass to Johnson. Feliciano with the ball. Nice idea. Lima kay Ronnie. Ronnie with the ball. Pass to Alcantara. Uy, nakuha pa yung Morales dahil pero nakakuha din yung rebound by Feliciano. Feliciano pass to nice guy. Uy! Pass! Bel! Sebastian! Oh, good! Alcantara mag-aawag ng bola. Alcantara! Sabot niya na ball. Sabot mo niya. Uy! Pass to Alcantara. Libre na. Cristiano, 3 points na ulit ng Morales. Pasok lang sa... Uy, pasok. Ayaw diretso ni Renzi, guys. Mababa din na yata si Renzi. Morales, pass to Cristiano. Pass to Rono. Pass to Cristiano. Pass to Alcantara. Alcantara plays. Alcantara 3 points. No good. Rebound by Hill. Pass to Morales. 3 points. Wala yung bola. Alcantara. Libre. 2 points. Huli-huli na rin pare. Alcantara, 2 points. No good. Jersey number 11. No good. Rebound by Morales. Pass to Alcantara. Libre. Alcantara. No good. Hasta Feliciano ng iwan, 3 points, no good, rebound by Romy. Hasta Morales, 2 points. Hasta Feliciano. Feliciano, 2 points, good. Alcantara.
Sama ko ah.
Alcantara. Pasto. This is number 19.
Init!
Hasta Morales.
Baba!
Hasta Morales. Hasta Hill. Feliciano, wala. Feliciano, another 3 points. Wala, ulit. Ronald doon. Oh! Rebound mo. Hasta tabot niya. 2 points. Official score is 11 at ito na yung quarter to 1 ng Malamangan. Diba? Pass to him. Back to Alcantara. Uy! Alcantara. Oh, good.
Ayos.